Hey guys, we have some exciting news.
That's right. We're excited to announce to you, our valued customers, that Wilson's Refrigeration and Air has now acquired Comfort Services Incorporated.
Now, what does this mean for you? This means better quality, service, pricing, and more focus on you.
Over the last 32 plus years in business, Wilson's Refrigeration and Air has been widely known for our integrity and character in delivering high quality service that is truly second to none. Our team at Wilson's Refrigeration and Air work hard to ensure your needs are taken care of as soon as possible. We focus on same-day service at any time on any day of the year. Whether it's heating, air conditioning, or indoor air quality, we want you to know we will handle it all for your home or business. We're committed to meeting your expectations with technical excellence, quick response time, and personalized service, and most of all, customer satisfaction.
And don't worry, if you currently have a maintenance or a membership plan with Comfort Services, they will be fully honored.
We look forward to continuing our relationship with you, and please do not hesitate to call with any questions.